Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair the error Directx Setup could not download the file. Chapter 1. How to fix error Directx Setup could not download the file validating user account. To start, open the control panel from Start. Click on User Accounts and click on User Accounts again. You must confirm that the current user has administrator permissions. Chapter 2. How to fix Directx Setup could not download the file from Firewall. To start, enter Firewall in the search box. Click on Firewall in Network Protection. After that, click on the current network. You are going to disable the Microsoft Defender firewall switch. If you need it, click Yes. After this, click on Virus and Threat Protection. Here, click on Manage Settings and you will turn off the real-time protection switch. You need to click Yes to confirm. Chapter 3. How to fix Directx Setup could not download the file from CMD. To start, open the control panel. Click Uninstall a program. You are going to review the programs associated with Directx. After that, enter CMD in the search box. Click Run as Administrator and click Yes. Now enter the command you see on the screen and press Enter. Wait for this process to finish. Chapter 4. How to fix Directx Setup could not download the file using utility. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Download the .NET Repair tool. When the file is downloaded, click on it, click Yes, and wait for it to be loaded. Now we accept the license terms, and it's time to wait for the bug testing to complete. You can see that the options to apply are launched. Wait for it to finish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 5. How to fix Directx Setup could not download the file managing IP. To start, enter CMD in the search box. Click Run as Administrator and click Yes to access. First, you are going to release the cache with the command ipconfig/flushdns. After that, reset winsock, run netsh winsock reset. Chapter 6. How to fix Directx Setup Could not download the file installing Directx. To start, go to the link we leave you in the video description. Click Download. When finished, run the downloaded file. Click Non-Yes and accept the license. After this, wait for the Directx installation to complete. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.